guys, I'm back with a different kind of video. For some reason, marami sa inyo ang gustong malaman kung ano daw yung mga songs na madalas kong pinapakinggan. I don't know why, pero okay, I'll share it to you guys.
Honey, give me as you got me red-handed, creepy with a girl next door. Picture this, we were both butt naked, banging on the bathroom floor. How could I forget that I had given her an extra key?
That's It Wasn't Me by Shaggy. I really like that song kasi kahit sobrang luma na niya, mapapasayaw ka pa rin sa beat. And masaya siyang pang road trip, mga ganon kahit medyo bastos.
We don't love anymore. What was all of it for? Oh, we don't talk anymore like we used to do. I just heard you found the one you've been looking for.
That's We Don't Talk Anymore by Charlie Puth and Selena Gomez. You probably heard that one already because it's playing everywhere. And bagay na bagay siya sa mga iniwanan at pinagpalit agad.
Once I was 7 years old, my mama told me, go make yourself some friends or you'll be lonely. Once I was 7 years old.
That Was 7 Years by Lucas Graham. Sobrang daming feels. And mapapasenti mode ka talaga sa mga bagay-bagay sa buhay mo, nakaka-inspire kasi sobrang ganda ng message ng song.
Grips on your waist from way back way. You know that I don't play. Streets not safe, but I never run away, even when I'm away. OT, OT, there's never much love when we go OT.
That Was One Dance by Drake. Sobrang ganda, lagi siyang piniplay. Malapit ko na nga siyang gawing alarm ko.
I won't let you down. Lean on me, 'cause I won't let you down. I won't let you down. I won't let you down. Down, 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 down.
I Won't Let You Down by Christopher. Sobrang ganda ng song na yan. Listen to the whole song. It's about sa mga taong malapit lang ma-fall, nagsa-start na mag-invest ng feelings pero natatakot na masaktan ulit. Ganda. And for my last song, it's a Bisaya song na tinuro sa akin ng mga followers ko when I went to Cebu, and I still can't stop listening to it kasi sobrang hugot.
Di ta uyab, walay ikaw ug ako. Aban kung magselos ko, ayaw pagbuot. Sige na lang taaning ha, 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 katawa. Ha, 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 hasula, ning kayong tanga.
There you go, guys. I hope you like the songs na mga napili ko, and if you wanna share your favorite songs, i-comment nyo sa baba. Thank you so much.